Hi guys, and welcome to a very fast activity this afternoon. What we're going to do, we're going to be making crackles, chocolate crackles. What we need are some rice bubbles, some chocolate, so you can use any sort of chocolate that you like, white chocolate, dark chocolate, and you need the patty cake papers. Let's do it. Alright guys, to make our chocolate crackle, what we need to do is get our chocolate and put it into a microwave container, a container that can go, and we're going to melt it. So we're going to go over to the microwave and melt it. Turn it off. Okay, so I'm going to have to put it, I'm going to have to keep going until it's melting. Okay, so we're nearly ready there. We've still got a little bit of few bits of chunks, so we'll put it back in for a little bit longer. Okay, so that's nice and melted now. So I'm going to come back over to the counter. Okay, so we're going to add about a cup through, and then we're going to stir it. Okay, that looks good. Now what we need to do is put them into our tray. Now you can use patty cake papers, or you can just sit them in the middle, so either way. Okay, and just sit them in there. Now you can make smaller ones if you want to make little bite-sized ones. So you just use a teaspoon instead of the tablespoon. I think that's all we're going to get. Okay, and so now what we'll do is we'll put them in the fridge for roughly about an hour or a little bit longer, and then they're ready to eat.
Okay, to make stained glass biscuits you will need boiled sweets, blunt object, Ziploc bags. You're going to need eggs, butter, flour, soft icing mixture, some vanilla essence, a mixing bowl and spoon, some cookie cutters, a cup measure, baking paper and tray, and a few other bits like a butter brush.